Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Installer's Assistant. My name is Marty and today I'm working on a Subaru Outback 2022. There's going to be a few videos in this series, the back doors, the front doors and the tweeter. We're basically going to take apart the door cards and the tweeter covers to get access to our rear speakers, the front speakers and the tweeters. So there's 3 videos in the series, check them all out to find out how to replace all the speakers in your car. We're going to start with the back doors. So for this job we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, we're going to need a pick tool, something with a nice little point like that, and of course my trusty 4140 Pry Tool. There's only 2 screws that hold these things on. There's one behind your door handle in here and there's one down in there. So I'm going to start with my trusty Pry Tool. I'm going to get in just inside here and pop that out. There it is. Behind that is a Phillips screw. So we'll take that out. Okay, the next one is down in the door in here. So I was putting my little hook tool in, just get down the base of that groove and lift up the panel. And behind that is another Phillips screw. Okay, that's it. The rest is all pop clips all around, bottom edge, and there's a few buried in here. So I'll grab my trusty Pry Tool, just get it started in the corner here. There it goes. And like with normal, I'm not just going to yank it because it'll snap things, but just give it a bit of a shudder wiggle and you'll feel it all pop off right way around. And off we go. And around we go. Okay. On the back we've got the door release catches, which basically lift out and up and over, times 2. We have a clip for the window. Into that. That's just a push clip. That slides out. And at the back there is another one of these doors for the illumination on the door handle. So that is the door card removed from the door, and then we can take the speaker out. So there's a standard Toyota clip at the top and 3 screws. Now to replace the speakers you want to hang on to these screws because we're going to reuse them. And out comes the speaker. It's nothing too impressive, very basic, very thin, there's almost no weight to it at all. Now come on round and I'll show you what we've done on the side I've already completed. So here's one I've already done. It's a 6.5 inch Audison driver with a TDJ spacer going into our clip. As far as wiring, the clip side of things is positive, so in this case brown is positive, white is negative. Standard plugs. The speakers we're using are Audison APX 6.5s coax, and the adapters we're using are from TDJ, they're called AirPro APS 334. Off you go. Don't forget, rub around between the spacer and the door. In this case I need 2 layers because these little white plastic clips where the screws go into space it out a bit, so double space that, and then rubber between, foam between the speaker and the adapter. And there you go, nice and easy. Should take you probably no more than an hour to do the whole thing. Like I said, there's 3 parts to the series. Keep watching for how to do the front doors and the tweeters. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you next time.